Our lighting team is at market this week, and here are some of the trends that they've spotted. Statement LED fixtures, fixtures that are art and sculptural. Fluted and reeded glass shades. Now, we've seen fluting become a trend in cabinetry and woodworking in homes in 2021 and definitely into 2022. Curves and orbs. Lots of fixtures showing this trend. Combination brass and white fixtures, including fans. There's also some really cool acrylic textures that are being shown in a lot of these LED fixtures. Folded shades that honestly make me want a cupcake right now. And big basket shade fixtures.